Pastor Angel and
Tucker
and
Ellie.
we're so glad that you joined us. Are you so glad that they've joined us?
Yeah.
All right, guys, are you ready for some worship?
Yeah.
And a Bible story?
Yeah.
All right. Can you guys at home give me a thumbs up if you're ready?
Yes.
Thumbs up? All right, are you guys ready to go see what Ollie's up to?
Yeah.
All right, come on, let's go.
Special way he made me specially. Every hair that's on my head, every time I lift my hands, every single night and day, I just wanna shout and sing. God loves me, God loves me, God loves me. Singing, he loves the special way he made me specially. Every hair that's on my head, every time I lift my hands, every single night and day, I just wanna shout and sing. God loves me, God loves me.
It's time to hear a story full of wonder. There's so much fun we'll have learning together. So let's go down to the clubhouse with Ollie and his friends. Let's go down to the clubhouse where wonder never ends at the Wonder Clubhouse. At the Wonder Clubhouse.
Where could it be? Where could it be? Oh, hello friends, and welcome to the clubhouse. It's me, Lucy, and I'm really looking for something. We sold a ton of the world's best lemonade and collected a whole bunch of money, but we lost the money jar. Can you believe it? I'm so sad. I've got to find it. I've looked up, look. I've looked down. Look. I've looked all around. Look. And I still can't find the money jar. I'm just not sure what happened to it.
Hoo, hoo.
It's Ollie.
Hello, Lucy. Hoo, hoo. Looking all around, are you?
Hi, Ollie. We collected lots of money to buy games for kids in the hospital, but I lost the money jar.
I'm sorry to hear that you are blue. I've got the perfect story for you. Just listen up. Just follow me through. Hoo, hoo.
Follow me through, follow me through, who? Ollie's got a Bible story for me and you.
Oh, hey there, friends. I'm Justin the mailman. Have you seen my pocket watch? I always keep it right here. I had it this morning, but... What was that? You see it? In my other pocket. Well, looky there. Thanks, friends. It's the best feeling when you found something you lost, isn't it? In fact, I've got a story for you. Let me just put the story mail in the mailbox. Okay, so today's true story from the Bible is one Jesus told about a woman who had 10 coins. There they are. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Wait, where's number 10? The lady counted again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. No number 10. The lady decided to look for the missing coin. Look, look, look. She turned on a lamp. Look, look, look. And swept the floor looking for her lost coin. Look, look, look. Do you see it anywhere? Shout out when you see it. There it is. She found it. She called all her friends and neighbors and said, "Celebrate with me. I found my lost coin." Let's count them all now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hooray! Jesus told this story because he wanted us to know that just like the coin was special to the lady, we are special to God. Let's celebrate! Woohoo! Everyone say, "God loves me and I am special." Ready? 1, 2, 3. God loves me and I am special. Oh, hey there, Ollie. Tell me, who loves you?
God loves me. Yes, it's true. Now let's hear it from you. Tell me, who loves you?
God loves me. That's the truth, friends. You better believe it. I'll see you next time.
So there's your story. It's all true. You are very special, and God loves you.
Thanks, Ollie.
Goodbye to you. Hoo, hoo.
Wow, what a great story. God loves me and I'm special to God. I think I got the story. Did you get it? If you did, say got it. Get it?
Got it!
Good. I found it. Let's celebrate.
Nothing at all can ever separate us from God's love. Romans 8:39. Nothing at all can ever separate us from God's love. Romans 8:39.
I get scared sometimes, so I cover my eyes. But that's so silly, 'cause God is always with me. so I cover my eyes. But that's so silly, 'cause God is always with me. So I stand up tall. Remember, He is strong. I won't be afraid. God is always with me. Fear, get out of here. Fear, get out of here now. Fear, get out of here. Get out of here for good. I'll see you later. See you later. I'll see you later. See you later. See you later, alligator. See you later. I'll see you later. See you later. See you later, alligator. I don't need to be afraid no more. Afraid no more. God, I'm yours. I don't need to be afraid no more. Afraid no more. God, I'm yours. I don't really need to be afraid no more. Afraid no more. God, I'm yours. I don't really need to be afraid no more. Afraid no more. God, I'm yours. Fear, get out of here. Fear, get out of here now. Fear, get out of here. Get out of here for good. I'll see you later. See you later. I'll see you later. See you later. See you later, alligator. See you later. I'll see you later. See you later. See you later, alligator.
Wasn't that a great Bible story and awesome worship?
Yes.
Yes, we learned that God loves us and that He made us special. Did you know that God made you special and He loves you so much? Did you know that, Parker?
Yes.
Yes. All right, guys, are you ready for the memory verse? Awesome. All right, if you can, say it with me on 3, or 1, 2, 3. Nothing at all can ever separate us from God's love. Romans 8:39. All right, let's do it one more time. 1, 2, 3. Nothing at all can ever separate us from God's love. Romans 8:39. Awesome job, guys. Give me a thumbs up. Good job. You did
See you next time. Bye.
Remember, God loves you.